extra room muna kasi nga yung check-in time ko is 3 o'clock. Eh, gusto ko na magpahinga. So, nagbayad ako ng extra 1,300. Okay lang. Gusto ko lang magpahinga. Grabe, pagod ako. So, kagabi, room tour muna, room tour. Yan, luma na siyang hotel, pero okay lang. Pwede na. Yan, pagpasok yan. May palibre silang water. AC cabinet. Dito yung unan. No need. May dalawa na. So, isang malaki at isang maliit dun. So, this is may TV din sila, tsaka may taas. Dito ako sa 8th floor. Sarado natin. Ayoko makita ng ibang tao. Charot. At ayoko itong maliwanag. Kasi gusto kong matulog muna. Sarado natin. Para yung may nakatingin. Yan, may patab siya. That's it. Okay, this muna tayo. Ako sa Ximending. Dito na ako sa Ximending. Nagpapalit ako ng pera dyan sa Megabank. Ako nang kumain kasi hindi pa ako nakakain. Nakita ko na rin yung Ximending Station. Ito na may SIM card na, may internet pero hindi ko pa na-activate karoon ng bibigay. Maya-maya na. May mga bags din sila dito. Ayan na yung Ximending Station. Ayan na yung Ximending Station. Ari pa siya. Yan. Hop on, hop off bus. Sasakay ako dyan mamaya. Yan. Sana yung rainbow ako ng Coldstone. Ayan ang daming picture dyan. Sa ano nila temple. Ay, sorry. Gusto ko na try yan. 7-Eleven ito. Papaya milk. Tatry natin. Hotdog at saka itong crispy donut. Nila.
好，那再来就是铅笔，这边第一个。
Marunong bukas.
到6月多才能交车，但是不能这个。哦，对，现在要先办啊，我们要先核准 standby 随时可拨口看。那他们特斯拉跟一般车行不太一样，它是要半个月前要拨交车前半个月。
Alam ko na paano bukas.
他们那一般车行不一样。像特斯拉的样子，有点像。他们也没有销售业务，他们那边市场都没有。对啊。对，下面这个。 像说你今天我要给你1988，然后大哥有，那你记得配偶他的身份证字号，你记得是身份证字号有？懂的。第二个，我再操作一下。
Pagdating natin mo, ilan na nga ako yung radio. Pwede rin. Alam mo nga, sarap siya. Hindi siya maalat. Hindi naman di matamis. Tama lang.
好，接下来是复写的哈，稍微轻重一点点，有点遵守之后的签名。你用签名？对，签名。
Try lang natin itong luna.
然后框框的。
May milk kasi sa taas. Kaya milky donut siya.
那你第一台车应该也是用缴款单吧？缴，他几位？你可以汇款给我手上，反正那个账号都同一。
Nandito na pala kanina yung Rainbow. Yan, Rainbow Street nila. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Picture nga po. Station. Parang maligali ang Mr. Donut. Ako naman. Dito na sa Tunnel Line. At ang main station. Pila ang escalator. Kitang donut ng Mr. Donut. This is the Taipei main station. Hanapin ko na lang ang hop-on, hop-off bus. Ayan. Lipstick na. Mga luma na rin yung mga buildings nila. Ito lang pala siya. Taipei main station, Songxiao. Wala pang bus. Dito lang yung main station. Laki ng main station. Main station. Sakay na po ako ng bus.
I love the Asia.
You like to travel?
Yes. It all becomes
maybe not all.
Everything is possible if you want.
Manifestation.
Yes. Just to tell you something.
It's the best preserved old market in Taiwan, commonly referred to as the Red House. This includes the Octagon Building, the Cruciform Building, and the adjacent South North Square. Today, very beautiful. Make Make sure you find some time to grab a beer and shoot the breeze at one of the outdoor bars.
I think it's
And
only 2
experience the
hours.
blending of old and
Yeah,
new.
it's very
One of the
near.
reasons that the Red House is so unique.
For
550?
But in Czech sites, blue. Like the Imperial. Like the king. I have only this card and my charger. My charger is important for me.
Longshan Temple.
Where there? Inside?
1938. This historic landmark ranks alongside Taipei 101, the National Palace Museum, and
Where is the
CKS
Longshan
Memorial
Temple?
Hall as a must-see for visitors to Taipei.
This is the Longshan
God in your
Temple.
room deliver results. Whether you're praying to Buddhist Sutma for protection,
Where are you, Longshan
or
Temple?
for love and marriage, or the goddess of child be discovered in Taiwan's temple.
I don't know.
Turning
IP
left
101 is there.
I think there's a temple is street.
Sanga-sanga yung mga daan nila, oh. Manhilo ka dito. I've tried. It's really good and I will buy again.
I just take the look here. Somewhere from here. Not far away.
Punta ako dito bukas.
Its highlights include the memorial itself, the National Theater, and the concert hall, all grandiose Chinese-style buildings. The white square structure in the middle with a royal
Yes,
block
I will go there tomorrow.
represents liberty and equality. The tradition. Yongkang Commercial District. Our next stop is Yongkang Street, the epicenter of Taipei's alley culture. The laid-back atmosphere and unique aesthetics have made the as juicy meat-filled steamed buns, lip-smacking beef noodles, and yummy mango ice. Enjoy a wonderful afternoon strolling through the lanes and alleys around Yongkang Street.
It offers a large expanse of
Ito yung
nature
flying
for you to
daan.
relax. The park
Daan
is filled
Park.
with trees, grass, and different kinds of brightly colored flowers.
Ayan na
The
yung
stage
Taipei
in the middle of the park
101.
hosts very come to life.
Ano ang Jinhua
A
flower?
lot of time taking in the over one Jianguo Holiday Flower and Jade Market.
Ano ang Jinhua holiday flower?
On weekends and holidays, the Jianguo Flower and Jade Market beneath the Jianguo Overbit strike their fancy home with them. This is also home to one of the best-known jade markets in all Asia. Hundreds of You should really check it out. In addition to foods, there are vendors selling everything. At night, and is the epicenter for many weekend and holiday events. Passers-by are treated to all kinds of street performances, which inject energy and life into the area. The leading-edge public art pieces found along the streets in the Shinny Commercial Center exhibit innovation and tension, juxtaposed against the towering buildings, giving tremendous pleasure to visitors who walk amidst them.
Shinny Commercial District, department stores.
East Side, designed by renowned architect Wang Daho, its doors were open to the public. The Bangla Marketplace, which encompasses Guanghua Digital Plaza and the Sintran created for 3C electronic products, as well as comics and anime.
Nantok na ako. Kanina pa ako nag-hikap. Yan. So, antok na. Right, naman yung ginapilahan. Fried chicken. Muna siguro ang ilang night market. Ito siguro yung night market nila. Pag-bili ako ng Mr. Donut.
I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me.
Pinipilahan yung Milky Donuts, oh. Ang haba na naman ang pila.
这不是一种歧视，就好像领瓶子一样，男生就得到别人的菜，女生就领菜，这样子，没有什么，没什么对错的问题，他是快就对了。
现在呢？现在呢？ 拿了10个就那个手不要乱动，就叫眼线不要压到了啊。知道了。这个牛奶还有那个芝麻都要喝了，芝麻是补钙。
So, I'm home na. Pauwi na ako sa hotel at pagod na yung mga paa ko sa kalakad. Pero okay lang. Buti nga nilalakad lang. And let's gonna try the donut. Let's try the donut. Ito yung donut nila, oh. Ganyan siya, oh. Diba? Okay? Try ko kung masarap siya or mas masarap yung Milky. Sarap naman siya. Pero iba pa rin yung Milky kasi ano siya, crunchy yun. Ito hindi malambot lang. Pero okay na, masarap na. Pwede ko na siyang i-rate ng 9. 9 out of 10. Strawberry yung kunuha ko, isang matcha, isang chocolate, at saka isang white. Sabi na pagod ako, besh. Pagod yung mga paak sa kakalakad. Pero okay lang. Worth it naman. Nag-enjoy naman ako. That's it for my first day here in Taiwan. Nga pala, nilakad ko lang din kanina yung yung pinuntahan kong bili ako ng SIM card, nakabili ako ng Easy Card. Yung Easy Card ko is Care Bears. Wait, pakita ko. Look at my Easy Card. It's so cute, diba? Nalagyan ko na siya kagad ng 1,000 na laman. Para kahit saan ako magpunta, tap na lang ako ng tap. Pwede magamit sa train, pwede magamit sa 7-Eleven, sa Family Mart, or sa mga Watsons, yun. Kaya pinalagyan ko siya ng 1,000. Siguro padagdagan ko pa para may laman siya. Para mag-tap na lang ako ng tap. Diba? And that's it for my first day here. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano pa yung iba.